So here we are in Maine, I believe near Bar Harbor, and the tide is going out, so we are hitting low tide. And as you can see, Steve's having fun at the moment. He's collecting some supper for us. Mussels. And here we are with lots of them, which he plans to steam and have for supper.
Oh yeah, baby. Look at this. We not only got our own camping site down here by the ocean for the night, for nothing, we have supper as well. This is awesome. Doesn't get much better than that.
So, just scanning along here, and we're just off there in the corner. You can see the van just slightly, and that's our view for tonight.
We don't want to be there for high tide, so
yeah.
we decided we'd park near the bushes in case we wake up in the morning and our van's half submerged. But it's raining a little bit, but it's awesome. So yeah, I can't wait for supper. We'll see you later.
More to come.
Okay, so we went out picking mussels, and that was pretty cool. Again, we're in outside of Bar Harbor, Maine. And we didn't expect to come up here, but I'm kind of glad we did now that you see this. So here it is. Oh yeah, mussels. So anyhow, that's what I got to look forward to now after the fruits of my labor. So anyhow.
Yep, shall be fun for him.
Yeah, as long as they don't swell up like a balloon and from any anaphylactic reactions. But anyhow, we're going to take our chances tonight, so have a good one. Good morning. Well, we had a good night. Other than we had a very nice young officer knock on our door at 5 in the morning, us and the people parking beside us, to remind us that there is a city ordinance that states that you're not allowed to sleep in public. So I guess we were sleeping in public. So he just reminded us that and went on his way, and we went back to bed. So had an awesome supper of those mussels last night. Couldn't have got any better than that. But today it's raining, and we're just doing a loop along the coast of Maine here called the Acadia. Sorry for the bus and the noise, but the Acadia National Forest. So behind me is part of it. Again, we're just going to drive along. It's raining, but it is still very beautiful. So we're gonna just try and take some shots as we go along here and give you a bit of an idea. It's very pretty along here. So this is one of the beaches along the Acadia National Park, and you can see it's low tide right now. It's amazing actually how much the tide does rise and fall. Again, prime time for picking mussels like last night. But yeah, really gorgeous. Okay, we're in Bar Harbor, Maine.
In the rain.
But we can't complain.
Because the weather has been insane.
Insanely beautiful, that is. Okay, done with the corny rhyme. Yeah, it's raining here, but you know, still a good chance to get out and see the little town. It's a really cute little town. We'll try and get some shots here. Just out in front of us here, you can see the beautiful sailboats, and that they do have whale watching tours and lobster boats you can go on and that sort of thing. But given the weather and that, I don't think we're gonna do that. So I think we'll just head down the street and check out
around.
Tons of restaurants, bars, shops. Typical, but it looks quite quaint. So we'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Okay, what do you do when it's raining outside and there's nothing else that you can do. You go to the closest bar, grab a cold beer, and you people watch. So that's what we're doing now. Just people watching in downtown Bar Harbor. Give you a little bit of a shot here of what's going on out in the street. Nice park over there. But yeah, it's kind of just drizzling on and off, and you know, nothing you can do about it, but lots of shops, tons of restaurants, lots of bars. Yeah, typical touristy town, but very quaint and busy, very busy. So anyhow, we're gonna set it out here for a short bit and move on. Yeah, so there's we're just at a roadside lobster stand. There's all kinds of these around the area here, and they've got basically a wood-fired, multiple wood-fired ovens here, where they have the pots on top full of water, and they steam all the lobsters and the clams and mussels and that sort of stuff. It's pretty cool. You can see the doors on the front. Yeah, pretty unique. All wood fired. You can smell the wood. Looks like they sell it by the pound. Very cool. Okay, after seeing that pots boiling out there, we just had to do it, so I can't wait. Here it is. He's a pretty good, it's a pretty good size. Ouch. Look at that sucker. Okay, I'm gonna eat that sucker. Talk to you soon.